All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Rudy Notre Dame speech script helmet. So we'll check the time, February 25th at 7:35 p.m. We're going to go over to the, we'll say Raz and type live. We have February 25th at 7:35 p.m. There's the list of our 8 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. Oh, all day it's been doing this 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Josh Spot 5 is your winner. So, Josh, we will get Rudy out for you tomorrow. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, February 25th, 7:35 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.